Hey, Derek Sheridan from Rust Belt Basketball Coaches Network. We're here in Canton, Ohio, and we stopped on our way back home at Brubaker's Irish Pub. And if you're ever through this part of Canton, I highly recommend you stop at Brubaker's. The food's outstanding. The service is even better. They have both an indoor and an outdoor service area. So stop by Brubaker's. You won't regret it. It's almost as elating as doing business with RBS Activewear. RBS Activewear will meet and exceed all of your needs when it comes to the online ordering process of athletic attire, signage, and equipment. RBS Activewear has mastered the online ordering process. Take it from me, you won't go wrong. You'll thank me later. Give RBS Activewear a shout. Look them up on the web. You'll thank me later. Hey, God bless. Have a great rest of your weekend, folks.